Hi guys! You have learned previously that organisms can be classified into kingdoms that make up what we call the tree of life. There is one organism that is quite strange and sits outside of this tree of life, the viruses. Viruses are very unique but strange organisms. In fact, they are so strange that we can't really tell if they are alive or not. Let's try to understand what a virus is. First of all, viruses are incredibly small, very tiny, they are microscopic. This means we can't see them without the aid of a microscope. They have what scientists call RNA or DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is the information that is passed from a parent to its offspring. RNA also carries information, but it is quite different from DNA. RNA is ribonucleic acid. Viruses are also not very nice to humans. They cause a lot of diseases such as smallpox, common cold, and HIV. So are viruses living or non-living? There's actually a heated debate about this in the biological and medical world. Some scientists say viruses are living. So let's talk about what makes them living organisms. First, they reproduce very fast and very efficiently. Viruses can make millions and even billions of copies of themselves within a short time frame. Secondly, as mentioned earlier, they have DNA or RNA, which allows them to transmit features to their offspring. These are two major reasons why we may say viruses are living things. And that's one side of the debate. The other side of the debate argues that viruses are not living. The primary reason for this is that they need plants or other living organisms to carry out all of life's processes. When they are outside of a living organism, they take on a crystalline structure, like a small piece of rock. Now, we won't say a rock or a crystal is living, would we? But that is what a virus is when it is not inside a living organism. So on one hand, it looks like viruses are living. And on the other hand, it looks like they are non-living. Based on these facts, can we say that viruses are very confused, or are we the ones who are confused about them? Still, we know that some of our biggest efforts and battles for sustaining human and plant health are geared towards fighting these viruses. So that's that for the confused viruses, and I'll see you soon.